Hey everyone! Imagine you're about to take off in your car, but suddenly, you can't shift gears properly, or your transmission gets stuck. You scan your car's system and there it is. P0900, clutch actuator circuit open. This means your car's clutch actuator system isn't working properly, causing shifting problems, especially in automated manual or dual clutch transmissions. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you the exact sensor locations, causes, and how to fix this issue. DTC P0900 indicates an open circuit in the clutch actuator system, which means the system is unable to engage or disengage the clutch as needed. This issue is common in semi-automatic, automated manual or dual clutch transmissions. Difficulty in shifting gears. Transmission getting stuck in one gear, loss of power while accelerating, check engine light on, clutch slipping or failing to engage. Clutch actuator motor, usually located near the clutch housing or on the transmission assembly. Responsible for engaging and disengaging the clutch electronically. Transmission control module, found near the transmission housing or inside the engine bay fuse box. Clutch position sensor mounted on or near the clutch actuator motor. Helps the system determine clutch engagement. Wiring harness and fuses. Runs from the battery and TCM to the clutch actuator and sensors. Check the fuse box in the engine bay for transmission-related fuses. Always refer to your vehicle's manual for exact sensor locations. What causes P0900? Faulty clutch actuator motor, damaged wiring or loose connections, blown fuse or relay, bad transmission control module or low transmission fluid. Step 1. Check for loose or damaged wiring. Look for frayed or corroded wires around the clutch actuator and transmission. Step 2. Test the clutch actuator motor. If it's not functioning, it may need replacement. Step 3. Inspect the fuses and relays. Replace any blown components. Step 4. Check transmission fluid levels. Low or dirty fluid can cause actuator failure. Step 5. Scan for additional codes. If the TCM is faulty, it may need reprogramming or replacement. Ignoring P0900 can lead to severe transmission issues, especially in automated manual and dual clutch transmissions. Fix it early to avoid costly repairs. For more OBD-II error codes, check out these videos. P0666, Engine Performance Circuit Low Voltage, P0667, Engine Performance Circuit High Voltage. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.